How are you feeling?
Good. Productive, focused.
On the right things, I hope.
Yes. Good. Productive, focused. It's just me.
You know, Grace said the same thing.
Is that a bad thing?
I just want to make sure you aren't encouraging each other's bad habits.
I don't think we are.
How many?
Since when?
Since sundown.
64.
64? That's more than usual.
It's a 44% increase since last night.
44%?
I just heard one. 65.
I heard it too.
65 suspicious sounds since sundown.
Okay. Describe them to me. Start from number 1.
Sound number 1, 1756. A tap on the window. I would estimate between 10 to 15 decibels. It was short, only half a second, if that.
Did anything precede it?
Yes. Sound number 2, 1757.
Similar?
No.
No?
Sound number 2, 1757. A scuffle.
Scuffle?
Yes. 3 seconds long, between 20 to 30 decibels.
A 10 decibel range. Can you be any more specific?
I'm afraid I can't.
Okay.
66.
Noted.
As I was saying,
67.
noted.
Are you counting them now?
I mean, it's not even sundown.
Lisa,
I mean, no, I'm not counting them. I mean, I don't even hear them anymore.
nothing sounds suspicious right now.
Nope.
I can hear your clock, I can hear your pen writing, I can hear your foot tapping. But no, nothing suspicious. What did Lisa say?
As you were saying.
Sound number 3, 1759. The least worrying of the sounds. Sorry.
What do we say?
Forget what you see, forget what you know, forget everything you've been told. Listen to the sounds, they tell the truth, and take each and every one seriously. Sound number 3, 1759. A drop, maybe a stone, 14 decibels.
14 decibels. Classic for a rock.
That's what I thought. Sound number 4, 1802. 54 decibels.
54 decibels!
A car backfiring.
Oh.
Sound number 5, 1803. Trailing sounds of a car engine. 20 seconds long, ranging from 50 to 0 decibels. Sound number 6, 1805. Another tap on the window. 10 to 15 decibels, 1 second long. Are you getting tired?
No.
Me neither.
It sounds like you're doing better, Lisa.
I am.
And you aren't playing games anymore.
No.
Want to play a game?
Sure. When?
Not yet. Ready? Go. Done. What'd you get?
8.
Me too. Don't look too cocky. List them.
Tree, rock, footstep, 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 footstep. Car, bird landing.
Kind of bird.
Pigeon, no. Crow, no. Pigeon, no. Songbird, no. A pigeon, Pigeon.
It was a crow.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
That's all we have time for. Grace, I'll see you next week.
Sure will.
And I want you to stay away from Lisa, if you can.
Sure.
I don't want her indulging your fantasies.
Fantasies.
The scenarios you play in your head, the sounds, they aren't helping your progress. I want you to get better, Grace. And I hope you want that too.
I do.
Good. Then I'll see you next week.
Their car backfires. They drive a bit further so that their car isn't in the CCTV camera. They park and walk back. Their footsteps are heavy. Footstep, 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 footstep. Hairpin in the keyhole. The door opens. They close the door slowly so that we won't wake up.
Of course.
They open up their bag. And they start to pick up all my stuff, all my belongings, all my things. And they put my things, which are now their things, into their bag. And then they go to the staircase. Step, step, step.
Creak. Your third step has a distinctive creaking sound. G sharp 6. 4 to 15 decibels depending on the weight applied.
Step, 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 step. My bedroom door, the same hairpin used on the front door, and the door opens. I should have had the carpet removed. Carpet muffles footsteps. It's 4 steps to my bed. They reach in their bag. A knife. No. A lead pipe. No. A rope. No. A knife is always a knife. They lean over me whilst I'm sleeping and lift the knife in the air slowly. And then it's fast, all at once, down, into my skin, out of my skin, into my skin, out of my skin, in, out, out. And then a quick getaway. Soon, police sirens, but for now, silence. Lisa? Lisa, are you asleep? Fine. You have to tell the bedtime story tomorrow night.